Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Cunningham and I will be your geography professor this semester. So right now you might be thinking, geography, what is that? Well, if you're seeing this video, you're either taking my physical geography lecture or my physical geography lab, or you could be taking both. So a bit about the class. If you are in my physical geography lecture, you're going to need to have this textbook here. You can either use the 5th edition or the 4th is pretty much the same and costs a lot less. So yeah, either of these, which you can get from your bookstore or anywhere you buy textbooks. If you're in my lab class, then you will need this book here. Because our planet is always changing, you pretty much do have to go with the 23rd edition. I haven't looked at the 22nd, but it's probably going to be a little too far off. So a little bit about me, since we'll be spending a lovely semester together. So I got my bachelor's degree in environmental horticulture and urban forestry from UC Davis. So I love talking about plants, which we will be in this semester when we do our biomes and ecosystems. While at UC Davis, I also minored in theater, which is probably a good thing since I'm, recording this ridiculous video. And then I worked in agriculture for a while before I went to San Francisco State University and got my master's in geography. And that's where we are today. And so we'll be talking about the physical aspects of our planet. If you want to learn more about language and religion and politics, that will be our cultural geography or world regional geography. So a bit about myself. What do I do when I'm not making geography videos? I have a lot of hobbies. Since I did do theater, I love sewing and making costumes. And so if you have any sewing tips, I'm happy to share that. I also am a home brewer. I brew my own beer, and I've even won a few awards, which is pretty awesome. I'm really into board games. So this one's one of my favorites. I also do play Dungeons & Dragons in case you want to join me. And that's a bit about me. So what about geography? Well, we think of geography. Geography is the why of where, right? So when you're looking at our planet, this course, which is a science course, is going to be looking at why do certain physical things happen on our planet? Why is there snow here but not here? Why do I find giraffes here but not here, right? So we'll be looking at things like our atmosphere, we'll be looking at our oceans, our animals and plants, our tectonic plates, earthquakes, volcanoes, and rocks. And how we study geography is doing spatial analysis. So looking at why we find different things in different locations. Again, geography is basically the why of where. That's all for now. You will be using this Canvas page to help you find all of your links to videos, which also come with the lab and lecture slides, and you'll also be submitting all of your homework and assignments through your Canvas page. Any questions? My email's on the syllabus. I'm looking forward to a great semester. Take care.